In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT into Excel and automate Excel with AI step by step. Before connecting ChatGPT to Excel, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Microsoft Excel account either on desktop or the web, a ChatGPT account, an OpenAI API key if you're using an API-based setup, and a stable internet connection. Having these basics prepared first will make the rest of the process much smoother. Next, open Microsoft Excel and load the workbook where you want to use AI-powered automation. This could be a spreadsheet for reports, customer feedback, formulas, or any dataset you want help processing. Once Excel is open, choose your integration method. There are several ways to connect ChatGPT with Excel, including Excel add-ins, Power Automate, VBA scripts, direct API integration, and third-party AI extensions. For most people, the easiest starting point is either an add-in or an API integration, because those usually require less setup and are more beginner-friendly. If you want to use an add-in, go to the Insert tab, then select Get Add-ins. From there, search for AI or ChatGPT-related add-ins and install the one that best matches your needs. After installation, the tool should appear inside Excel and be ready for setup. If your chosen method requires API access, sign in to the OpenAI platform and generate your API key. Keep that key secure and only use it in trusted tools. Now configure the integration. Open the settings for the add-in or connector you installed, paste in your API key if needed, save the configuration, and then test the connection. This test is important because it confirms Excel can successfully communicate with the AI service before you start working with real data. After that, connect your Excel data to ChatGPT by selecting the cells, columns, or data sets you want it to analyze or process. Common tasks include data cleaning, formula generation, text summarization, report writing, customer feedback analysis, and data categorization. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate Excel formulas. For example, you might request an IF formula for sales targets, a VLOOKUP formula, an XLOOKUP formula, or even a conditional formatting rule. This can save a lot of time, especially if you work with complex formulas regularly. From there, start automating repetitive tasks like creating formulas, generating reports, summarizing datasets, drafting business emails, analyzing trends, or preparing dashboards. If you want to go further, you can also use Power Automate to connect Excel and ChatGPT for workflow automation, such as processing spreadsheet data, generating reports, sending notifications, or updating records automatically. Finally, test your workflow with sample tasks and check the data accuracy, formula correctness, automation performance, and output quality. Then refine your prompts and workflow to improve response accuracy, speed, organization, and reporting consistency. That's how you turn a basic integration into a reliable productivity system.